greetings gutters, we're going to make a cocktail. We're going to recreate one of the misses, the boss, he who must be obeyed, she who must be obeyed, sorry, not a he. This is a passion fruit martini made using one of the Maidstone Distillery's gin, and it's their signature gin, their George gin. Okay, and so they published their recipe, so we're gonna make it. Now I'm making two because she's not having one on her own. No, it's probably a bit of a girly drink, but who cares? It's got gin in it. So to recreate or to make one of their passion fruit martinis, you're going to need their gin, George gin. It's a London sort of gin. So if you're heathen and you've not been to Maidstone and you've not got their gin, and you can buy it in other parts, well, I don't know about the country, but certainly other parts can. A London dry gin, some passion fruit liqueur, not tried that yet, and then passion fruit or a tropical fruit juice, which is what we got there, and to garnish it, some slices of fresh passion fruit. You can use the dry ones. Have you seen how fuck off expensive that is? We're using fresh. So get your cocktail shaker, put some ice in it, and then you want 50 ml of gin. Now I'm making two, so I'm doing 250 ml of gin. Okay, put that over there, out of the way. And then you want 50 ml of the tropical fruit. So I'm doing obviously 2 lots. Perhaps I should have shaken this first, I don't know. But anyway, I didn't. And then you're going to want 25 ml passion fruit liqueur. So obviously I want 50. It's quite handy, it means I ain't got to turn the thing over and get it sticky on the other side. And in that goes. Put that there. Now you want a martini glass, but before that you're going to want to shake the bugger up. Now, if it gets stuck, give it a knock, but that came out apart all right. Now, we just put our little strain on there, and this is where now we just strain it. Whoops, everywhere into our glass. Let me just clean that up. Actually, I won't. Well, before I clean it up, let me just get our passion fruit, and I'm just going to cut a slice, couple of slices, and in goes one, in goes the other. Lost some of the seeds with that one. It can go in there. She'll probably say, "Yeah, don't like that." And there you go. There is your Maidstone Distillery passion fruit martini. Very, very nice. I've never actually tried theirs. The wife has several times. So I'll see if she agrees whether that's right. It's using the ingredients. But there you go. Cheers, Maidstone Distillery. Passion fruit martini made with their signature George Bishop gin. Not trying to get commission, but you know, free drink next time.